Hello and welcome to this January 19th, 2011 video version of InvestEd Central's Chart of the Day. I'm Tom Bowley, InvestEd Central's Chief Market Strategist, and it's my pleasure to provide you today's Chart of the Day. This Chart of the Day is brought to you by StockCharts.com, simply the web's best financial charts. Today we're taking a look at WellCare Group, ticker symbol WCG. This is about a $1.4 billion healthcare company. As you take a look back over the last year, you can see that the stock has been pretty much in a sideways consolidation type phase after a downtrend. We got down as low as $23. Most of the trading over the last several months has been in about the $25 to $32 range, but we did have a period in July, late June and into July, where we were down around 23, even a little bit below that $23 level. But as you can see here on Tuesday, we actually made a breakout of this range. You can see the volume was also starting to pick up on this move, and this is pretty significant because we've challenged this $32 level on several occasions. We actually went below it in late January, came back up in early February, tested it again in mid-February. We tested it mid-March, mid-April, and then again about a week and a half ago tested that $32 level and failed. But what was interesting is on this last pullback, this is the first time that we've tested the $32 level with both the 20-day moving average pointing up, the 50-day moving average pointing up, and the MACD pointing up, coming up off the center line. So this type of configuration on the chart generally coincides with a stock or an index that is in an uptrend. So that was the first thing kind of got our attention, but we needed to see a break above $32, and we got that on Tuesday. Very nice volume, the heaviest volume that we've seen since the second week of August, and that heavy volume coincided with what we think is a pretty significant breakout from a price resistance perspective. Now, the only downside here at this point is the RSI, which is sitting at 73.5, but stochastics are not confirming overbought conditions at this point, down around 78, 79. So I think it's got a little bit more room to the upside. As far as entry, I like it at the current price. A pullback down closer to $32 would be a good second entry. And then this rising 20-day moving average, which held as support just a couple of days ago, we would look for that to continue to hold as support in the days and weeks ahead. Top side, because we consolidated here for about a $9 or within about a $9 range over the last many months, I would look for maybe a push on this breakout above 32, a push ultimately in probably a few to several months up to that $40, $41 level. So that would be the target that I would look for. So I think WCG looks pretty good here, and that confirming volume makes us very bullish on this most recent breakout. Good luck and happy trading.